This is a 15 centimeter pre-stretched canvas and we are going to create a dot mandala on this, and I'm going to experiment with metallic colors in this. Let's see how it comes. Here is the color red and I'm going to keep a center dot. I'm now going to keep orange color dots. So first I'll keep dot on the line. Now I have a lot of space, so I'll keep one in the middle also. Now I'm going to keep yellow color dots in the next. So I'm going to keep gray color dots on the line. So I'm going to have 3 layers of working the dots. So first in dark green, then light green, and again in dark green. So I'm leaving some space and keeping one more dark green dot. So this is a light green dot, I'll keep in the middle. Now I'll work the dots using dark green color. The paint is too thick and it's a little difficult to dot with these metallic colors now, but I can manage. When the paint is too thick and I want to thin it, I use pouring medium. Pouring medium from any brand is okay. You have to use pouring medium instead of water so that the paint doesn't crack after it dries off. Now I'll dot with light green color. Now I'll dot using dark green again. Now I am keeping this grey color dots here. I will keep a little plumpy dot. I'll adjust the paint with this small tool so that it looks like a swipe. To me this looks more beautiful. What do you think? Please comment in the comment section of this video. So using this red color, I'm going to keep a straight swipe. Now I am going to keep the side swipe in orange color. Now the next swipe is an yellow.